Hello KidzCafe lovers! Rainy season is here in Indonesia. But fear not! KidzCafe Sanur remains your top choice for quality family time. Our Kids Club is in full swing, offering free afternoon activities in a cozy and warm environment. Your kids will be happily engaged while you work or unwind. Thanks to our high-speed Wi-Fi and delicious food, KidzCafe Sanur, your go-to family-friendly restaurant, playground, and kids club.
It's a pleasure.
Come and embrace the joy of family moments. KidzCafe, where happiness happens, rain or shine.